Good morning. I got to share this with you guys as something that Candace Owens said here on the show right here. She hit the nail on the head. And it's a lot of things a lot of people want to say, but they don't have the courage, or maybe they're afraid. Just check it out and tell me what you think.
Right? So you're not allowed to say things that goes against a certain narrative, right? The mainstream narrative, which in my opinion is actually not that mainstream censored than ever before. And I actually think that I represent the ideas of the majority. Like, I'd like to think, and I think I'm right, that the majority of Americans don't believe that Cardi B should have been granted Woman of the Year. Right?
Oh, really?
She was granted Woman of the Year by Billboard.
Hey guys, it's your girl Cardi, and I am honored for the Woman of the Year award for Billboard.
Woman of the Year. This is a woman that's been on her live talking about how she used to drug and rob men at the time that she was a stripper. By Bill Cosby standards, she should be in prison.
Bill Cosby took my beautiful, healthy young spirit and crushed it. The once beloved TV dad told by the judge that no one is above the law. I cannot offer special treatment because of who he is or who he was. Fallen angels suffer most.
Yes. And yet Billboard named Woman of the Year. I don't think that's because Black America wanted her named Woman of the Year. I don't believe that, any person who saw a performance doesn't have something negative to say about it. But people that are in power at Billboard decide, well, this is what we're going to do for whatever nefarious reason that is. They're really trying to pollute our society with these abnorms that they're pretending are the norms. I don't believe that the average man wants to put on a dress. I don't know, call me crazy. I don't think the average man wants to wear a slutty little dress and be like, oh my God, look at me. I think most people acknowledge that's a form of perversion, but we're being told by all of these media companies that have a lot of power to decide on what the narrative is, that is perfectly normal. And so that's why I hit back on. I think that the reason I have the platform that I do is because actually the majority feels this way, and they feel like they're not being heard and they're not allowed to say it without being accused of being a bigot or a racist or a sexist.